Namaste friends. Today I am going to share with you a very special hair oil recipe that can help cure gray or white hair naturally. If you are struggling with premature graying, or if you already have gray strands that you want to turn black again, then this oil will be very useful for you. Not only will it help in turning your gray hair back to black, but it will also add an amazing shine to your hair and make it stronger from the roots. The best part is, you will start noticing a difference right from the very first use. Yes, it is that powerful. Gray hair slowly begins to turn into black. And if you already have black hair, then don't worry. This oil will maintain its natural black color and prevent it from graying further. Now let's begin preparing this wonderful oil step by step. First, we need fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are a magical ingredient when it comes to hair care. They are a rich source of iron and protein, and both of these nutrients are absolutely essential for hair growth and for maintaining healthy, strong, and thick hair. We will grind these fenugreek seeds into a fine powder. Once ground, here we have our fenugreek seed powder ready. Now, take 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder and put it into a clean bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of gooseberry powder, also called Amla powder. Amla is extremely rich in vitamin C and has amazing antioxidant properties. It prevents hair from premature graying, strengthens the hair follicles, and also gives your hair a natural shine and smoothness. Now to this, add 1 tablespoon of henna powder. Many people get worried when they hear henna, thinking it might turn their hair red or orange. But please don't worry. In this recipe, henna will not make your hair red. Because of the way we are mixing and cooking it with other ingredients, it will only help make your hair naturally black and glossy. Now for the base oil. We need 150 milliliters of mustard oil. Mustard oil is another very powerful ingredient for hair. It is loaded with minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. It also contains alpha fatty acids, which help maintain your hair's natural moisture balance, preventing dryness, and keeping your hair fresh, bouncy, and full of life. Mix all these ingredients together very well. If you do not have mustard oil, or if you want to change it a little, you can also use coconut oil. In fact, you can even mix half coconut oil and half mustard oil. Both options will work beautifully. Now transfer this mixture into a saucepan and cook it on a low flame. It is important to cook on low flame only, otherwise the nutrients might get destroyed. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. After that, you will see the oil changing its color into a nice brown shade. That's when you'll know that our oil is ready. At this point, if you have an iron pot, then transfer the hot oil into it. The reason is simple. Iron content is also very good for hair, and it will make the oil even more effective. Once you transfer, cover the pot and let it sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours, your oil will be completely ready for use. You'll notice it has become quite thick in consistency. A small tip: whenever you are applying this oil, make sure to wear gloves. Otherwise, your hands may also get stained black. Once you apply this oil to your scalp and hair, always cover your head with a shower cap or wrap it with a towel. This will allow the oil to penetrate deeper into the roots. After that, filter the oil and store it properly. Now, if you have very dry hair, then here's an extra step for you. Add 2 vitamin E capsules to this oil. Vitamin E will provide extra nourishment and keep your hair soft and manageable. Now the question is, how to apply this oil? If you are applying this oil in the morning or afternoon, make sure to leave it on your hair for at least 3 hours before washing it off with a mild shampoo. However, if you apply it at night and leave it overnight, that would be even better, because your hair gets more time to absorb all the nutrients. For storage, keep this oil in an airtight jar. You can store it for 2 to 3 months easily without any problem. Even prepare a bigger quantity in one go and keep it for regular use. For best results, apply this oil twice a week. Within just 1 month, you will begin to see visible differences in your hair. The gray strands will start to turn darker, your hair will look shinier, and the texture will feel stronger and healthier. And yes, whenever you want to apply this oil, don't forget one important thing: always mix it properly with the help of a spoon. Since the powders tend to settle at the bottom, it is important to stir before each use so that all the goodness is evenly spread. So my dear friends, take good care of your hair, nourish it well, and keep it healthy and shiny. Please do try this recipe and share your personal experience with me in the comment section. I love reading your feedback, and it also helps others in the community who are going through the same problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected for more natural remedies, and I'll see you in the next one.